Saji Cheriyan is an Indian politician from Kerala. He currently serves as the member of the Legislative Assembly from Chengannur constituency. He was the former Minister for Fisheries, Culture, and Youth Affairs in the Second Vijayan ministry. Following a controversial speech in Mallappally in 2022 in which he spoke derisively of the Indian constitution, he resigned on July 6 amid mounting pressure from the opposition. Saji Cheriyan was born on 28 May 1965 to T. Cheriyan and Susama Cheriyan. He hails from Kasuvallur in Mallappally district of Kerala, India. He graduated from Bishop Moore College, Mallappally, and Kerala Law Academy Law College, Thiruvananthapuram. Cheriyan's entry into politics was through Students' Federation of India. He held positions of Mallappally District Committee Secretary and President of SFI. He then went on to become the District Committee President and Secretary of DIFI, District President of Sidhu, Chairman of the District Panchayat Development Permanent Committee, President of Chengannur Block Panchayat, President of CPI Mallappally District Committee, Syndicate Member of the University of Kerala, President of District Sports Council, President of Mallappally District Cooperative Bank, and Executive Member of Kerala State Cooperative Bank. He has contested Kerala Legislative Assembly from Chengannur constituency in 2006 and lost to P. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.